guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Of all the beauty treatments out there, removing your facial hair, or any hair for that matter, is one of the least pleasant, but it doesn't have to be difficult. If you want to get rid of that fuzz along your upper lip, hairs on your chin, and sprouts between your brows, today's DIY beauty treatment is simple and yet effective. This beauty treatment only has 2 steps. First is to remove unwanted facial hair, and the second step is to give your skin that perfect nourishment that it takes to get a glowing, clear, soft complexion. All you need for this simple remedy is a large egg and some tissue papers. First, break the egg and separate the egg white and the egg yolk. It's pretty simple, just follow along with the motions you're seeing here. Keep both the egg white and the yolk in separate bowls. Go ahead and scramble them up like I'm doing here. Once you're done doing that, grab a clean makeup brush. Apply the egg white all over your face. Not only do egg whites help remove facial hair, but they also tighten and shrink enlarged pores. Thanks to the astringent properties of egg whites, pores will appear smaller. Egg whites also help give a more lifted appearance to the skin by increasing volume around sagging cheeks and diminishing the appearance of crinkly skin around the eyes. Egg whites are also great for reducing oily skin. It also fights off and prevents acne and acne scars. Now, take the pieces of tissue paper and gently place them on your face. Press down so that the pieces of tissue paper don't move around. Cover your face completely and then apply egg white over top of the tissue and allow it to dry down completely. It'll take around 20 minutes. When you're done, you're going to be amazed by the benefits of egg whites for your complexion. Then, carefully remove the tissue paper and your skin will be free of facial hair. This is truly the perfect facial treatment for your skin. Simple, yet effective. Now on to step number 2. Apply the remaining egg yolk on your face with the help of a clean makeup brush. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face glowing, soft, and supple. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. It also contains protein, vitamin A, vitamin B2, B3, and zinc, all of which help to build up the skin's tissue, heal dry, flaky, or itchy skin, and protect skin cells from free radicals. Even if you don't have facial hair, these 2 treatments are extremely beneficial, and all you need for it is 1 egg. Be sure to let us know down in the comments below if you decide to try this simple remedy for yourself. We'd love to hear about your results. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.